Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you how you can get rid of these annoying bullet points from Elementor icon list from footer. Even though I've added the icons I want, but still it's showing the bullet points. I've tried reinstalling themes and plugins, but nothing seems to fix the problem. Even contacted my hosting company, but they couldn't help me as well. So I fixed it myself. Basically it's a minor bug in Elementor. Alright, let's fix it. It's really simple. You just have to add a single line of code. On the top, just click Customize. Now click on Additional CSS. And type, UL, it's for unordered list. Add the curly brackets, and set the list style to none. And here you can see, the annoying bullets just disappeared. Just hit publish and we're all done. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.